If you think genuine aviation is reserved for the elite and their million-dollar hangars, think again. Today, we are tearing down the cost barriers by dissecting 6 high-performance ultralight kits you can assemble in your own garage for under $20,000 and then fly them without a license. It is time to trade your tinkering for real-world flight engineering, starting with the most popular ultralight aircraft. Aerolite 103. Starting at about $19,450 for the quick-build airframe kit, the Aerolite 103 is one of the best-known FAA Part 103 ultralight aircraft available for home builders. Designed by Terry Raber and produced by U-Flyit, this single-seat aircraft uses a lightweight aluminum tube structure covered with Dacron fabric, helping it remain within ultralight weight limits while still offering solid performance. Engine options range from compact 28-horsepower units to larger 2-stroke engines, allowing builders to tailor performance and budget. Unlike many home-built aircraft that require hundreds or even thousands of hours to complete, the Aerolite 103 Quick Build Kit can typically be assembled in about 30 to 40 hours by a first-time builder, while experienced builders often finish in less than 30 hours. Earlier versions of the kit were estimated at 60 to 80 hours, but refinements in the quick build package have reduced assembly times significantly. The aircraft cruises at roughly 55 to 63 miles per hour, features tricycle landing gear, electric flaps, and responsive 3-axis controls. Its forgiving handling, low operating costs, and straightforward construction have made it a popular choice among recreational pilots looking for an affordable path into personal aviation. Badland Aircraft F1 Builder. Starting at about $15,926 for the builder kit, the Badland Aircraft F1 Builder offers a rare balance between affordability, simplicity, and genuine backcountry-inspired flying. Built around a welded 4130 chromoly steel fuselage with aircraft-grade hardware throughout, the F1 is designed for people who want to build an aircraft themselves without needing advanced fabrication skills. One of its biggest advantages is that no welding is required during assembly, making it far more approachable for first-time builders. The kit includes the major structural components, landing gear, control systems, fuel system parts, and folding wings that allow the aircraft to fit inside a standard garage or trailer for storage. While Badland does not publish an exact build time for the F1 Builder package, the company notes that its higher-level F2 Quick Build version saves more than 100 hours of work, suggesting the standard F1 typically requires well over 100 additional hours of assembly. Builders who enjoy working steadily through a project often see that time as part of the reward rather than a drawback. The aircraft was created for people who dream about flight but may not have a hangar, a massive budget, or years of aircraft construction experience. Its folding wing design, lightweight structure, and customizable setup give builders the satisfaction of creating something uniquely their own. By the time the wheels leave the ground for that first flight, the aircraft feels less like a machine and more like a personal achievement earned through patience, skill, and determination. Minimax 1103R. Starting at approximately $6,995 for the basic kit, the Minimax 1100R Ultralight is one of the most established and economical home-built aircraft available to aviation enthusiasts. Developed by Team Minimax, this single-seat aircraft features a traditional wood and fabric construction method that combines lightweight performance with straightforward assembly. Its design emphasizes efficiency, simplicity, and low operating costs, making it a practical choice for builders seeking an entry point into recreational aviation without a substantial financial commitment. The Minimax 1100R is powered by lightweight 2-stroke engines and is capable of delivering reliable performance for local and cross-country recreational flying. The aircraft features conventional 3-axis controls, providing handling characteristics that are familiar to pilots transitioning from larger aircraft. Its high wing configuration contributes to stability, visibility, and predictable flight behavior. qualities that have contributed to the design's long-standing popularity within the home-built aviation community. A significant advantage of the Minimax 1100R is its manageable construction process. The manufacturer estimates a build time of approximately 300 hours, depending on the builder's experience, available tools, and pace of work. Comprehensive plans, detailed instructions, and an active builder network help support the construction process from start to completion. For individuals seeking an affordable, proven, and well-documented home-built aircraft, the Minimax 1100R remains a respected option that continues to attract builders decades after its introduction. Hummel Ultra Cruiser. Starting at approximately $13,000 for the basic kit, the Hummel Ultra Cruiser, also known as the H5, is a compact, all-metal home-built aircraft designed for builders who value durability, efficiency, and classic aircraft construction techniques. Developed by Hummel Aviation, the single-seat aircraft is constructed primarily from aluminum, eliminating the need for fabric covering while providing a robust airframe capable of years of service with proper maintenance. Its clean, low-wing design gives the IT a distinctive appearance and contributes to its efficient aerodynamic performance. It is designed to comply with ultralight and light recreational flying requirements, depending on configuration and engine selection. Builders can choose from several lightweight engines, allowing flexibility in balancing performance, operating costs, and overall aircraft weight. The aircraft is known for its responsive handling, economical fuel consumption, and relatively low maintenance requirements, making it well-suited for recreational pilots seeking a practical personal aircraft. It offers straightforward metal construction process with an estimated build time is approximately 400 to 600 hours, depending on the builder's experience and the level of kit completion selected. Detailed plans, pre-formed components, and extensive documentation help simplify the assembly process while maintaining the educational value associated with traditional aircraft construction. For builders seeking an affordable, all-metal aircraft with proven engineering, efficient performance, and enduring reliability, the Hummel Ultra Cruiser remains a respected choice within the home-built aviation community. Legal Eagle. Starting at approximately $7,500 for the basic plans and materials, the Legal Eagle is a lightweight, single-seat ultralight aircraft designed specifically to meet strict ultralight regulations in the United States. Created by designer Leonard Milholland, the aircraft follows a minimalist philosophy, prioritizing low weight, simplicity, and ease of construction while still delivering stable and enjoyable flight characteristics. The Legal Eagle is built primarily from aluminum tubing and steel fittings, with fabric covering used for the wings and control surfaces. Its structure is intentionally simple, relying on conventional aerodynamic principles and a proven high-wing configuration. The aircraft is typically powered by small displacement engines, such as converted industrial engines or lightweight aviation-specific power plants, keeping both cost and weight within ultralight limits. The Legal Eagle is accessible to first-time builders, with an estimated build time generally ranges from 200 to 300 hours, depending on the builder's experience, tool availability, and pace of construction. The design is well documented, with detailed plans and step-by-step guidance that support careful assembly without requiring specialized fabrication skills. In flight, the Legal Eagle is known for its low stall speed, gentle handling, and predictable behavior, making it suitable for relaxed recreational flying in suitable conditions. Its compact structure and low operating costs make it an appealing option for pilots seeking a straightforward path into personal aviation. Affordaplane. Starting at roughly $7,000 to $10,000 for a complete flying aircraft, the Affordaplane is one of the most affordable single-seat ultralight aircraft available to home builders. Designed by aviation enthusiast Dave Edwards, it was created with a simple goal: make aircraft ownership and flight accessible to people on a modest budget. The aircraft is built primarily from 6061-T6 aluminum tubing and uses a bolt-together construction method that eliminates the need for welding, making it especially attractive to first-time builders. The affordaplane can be configured as a Part 103 Ultralight or as a light sport aircraft, depending on the builder's objectives. Powered by engines in the 35 to 40 horsepower range, it typically cruises at around 60 to 65 miles per hour, while maintaining a low stall speed of approximately 27 miles per hour. Its full-span ailerons provide responsive handling, and the design has earned a reputation for being stable and easy to fly. Most builders can complete the project in approximately 250 hours, although estimates ranging from 150 to 300 hours have been reported depending on experience and build pace. Because it requires only common hand tools and no specialized workshop, many enthusiasts are able to build the aircraft in a home garage or small workspace. With low operating costs, simple construction, and proven performance, the affordaplane remains a popular choice among budget-conscious aviation enthusiasts seeking an affordable path to flight. Kolb Firefly. Starting at approximately $15,000 for a completed aircraft, depending on the engine, instruments, and options selected, the Kolb Firefly is widely regarded as one of the best values in the ultralight aviation world. Designed to comply with USFAR Part 103 ultralight regulations, this single-seat aircraft combines low operating costs with the performance and handling characteristics of a much larger airplane. It features a rugged welded 4130 chromoly steel fuselage cage, aluminum tubing structure, and fabric-covered flying surfaces. Unlike many ultralights, it offers exceptional durability while remaining light enough to qualify as a legal ultralight when equipped with a Rotax 447 engine. Quick folding wings allow the aircraft to be stored in a garage or transported on a trailer, making ownership practical for pilots without access to a hangar. Performance is impressive for an aircraft of its size. The Firefly cruises at approximately 60 to 65 miles per hour, reaches top speeds near 70 miles per hour, and can climb at around 1,000 feet per minute. Its gentle stall characteristics and responsive controls have earned it a reputation as a safe and enjoyable aircraft for recreational flying. With a straightforward assembly process and an estimated build time of about 375 hours, although experienced builders using quick build options may complete the project more quickly. The kit requires only basic workshop tools and can typically be assembled in a standard home garage. With its combination of affordability, strong performance, proven reliability, and easy storage, the Kolb Firefly remains one of the most respected ultralight kits available for home builders seeking an economical path into aviation. Quicksilver MXL-2 Sport. Starting at approximately $9,800 for the basic kit and reaching around $17,800 or more when fully equipped, the Quicksilver MXL-2 Sport is one of the most iconic and recognizable ultralight aircraft ever produced. Known for its open cockpit design and exceptional visibility, the aircraft delivers a pure flying experience that closely connects pilots with the surrounding environment. Its proven design has been refined over decades, making it a favorite among recreational aviators and flight schools alike. The MXL-2 Sport features a lightweight aluminum airframe covered with durable fabric, creating a structure that is both strong and easy to maintain. Its high-wing configuration provides excellent stability and forgiving flight characteristics, making it particularly appealing to new pilots. The aircraft is typically powered by Rotax engines ranging from 50 to 65 horsepower, allowing it to achieve cruise speeds of approximately 55 to 70 miles per hour while maintaining efficient fuel consumption. One of the Quicksilver's greatest strengths is its excellent short takeoff and landing capability. It can operate from relatively small grass strips and unimproved airfields, expanding the range of locations from which owners can fly. The design also offers responsive controls and predictable handling, contributing to its reputation as a safe and enjoyable recreational aircraft. Builders appreciate the aircraft's straightforward assembly process, with most kits requiring between 250 and 400 hours to complete, depending on experience, customization, and equipment choices. The extensive Quicksilver owner community, readily available parts, and long production history provide valuable support throughout the build and ownership experience. Combining affordability, simplicity, reliability, and a unique open-air flying experience, the Quicksilver MXL-2 Sport remains one of the most enduring and respected ultralight aircraft kits available today. Zigolo MG-12. Starting at approximately $13,500 to $20,000 for a completed aircraft, depending on engine choice, instruments, and shipping costs, the Zigolo MG-12 is a modern ultralight aircraft designed to offer an affordable and enjoyable flying experience. Developed in Italy by designer Luigi Pascala, the aircraft combines classic wood and fabric construction with efficient aerodynamics, resulting in a lightweight aircraft that is both economical to build and inexpensive to operate. It features a high wing configuration with an open cockpit, giving pilots excellent visibility and a strong sense of connection with the surrounding environment. Its airframe is primarily constructed from wood, making it attractive to builders who appreciate traditional aircraft craftsmanship. Despite its simple construction, the design delivers impressive performance and efficiency, allowing it to operate with relatively low-powered engines while maintaining reliable flight characteristics. Powered by engines typically ranging from 26 to 40 horsepower, it cruises at approximately 55 to 65 miles per hour and offers excellent fuel economy. The aircraft is known for its low stall speed, gentle handling, and forgiving flight characteristics, making it suitable for recreational pilots and newcomers to ultralight aviation. Its lightweight design also contributes to short takeoff and landing distances, allowing operation from small grass strips and rural airfields. Homebuilders are drawn to the Zigolo MG-12 because of its straightforward construction process. Most builders complete the project in approximately 250 to 400 hours, depending on their experience and the level of customization involved. Detailed plans and a well-documented building process help simplify assembly. With its attractive design, low operating costs, efficient performance, and traditional craftsmanship, the Zigolo MG-12 has become a popular choice among aviation enthusiasts seeking an affordable and practical ultralight aircraft that can be built at home. Jordan Lake Air Bike 103. Starting at approximately $7,000 for a basic completed aircraft, depending on the engine, instruments, and builder-selected options, the Jordan Lake Air Bike 103 is one of the simplest and most affordable ultralight aircraft available to home builders. Designed to meet USFAR Part 103 ultralight regulations, the air bike embraces a minimalist philosophy, providing an inexpensive entry point into recreational aviation while maintaining practical performance and ease of construction. The Airbike 103 features an open-frame design that resembles a flying motorcycle more than a conventional airplane. Its lightweight steel tube fuselage, aluminum wing structure, and fabric covering help keep weight and costs low. The aircraft's simple appearance is intentional, allowing builders to focus on functionality rather than complexity. The open cockpit provides an unobstructed view of the surroundings and delivers a pure, wind-in-your-face flying experience that many ultralight enthusiasts appreciate. Typically powered by lightweight two-stroke engines in the 28 to 40 horsepower range, the airbike cruises at approximately 50 to 60 miles per hour while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Its low stall speed and forgiving flight characteristics make it suitable for recreational pilots seeking relaxed local flights. The aircraft's lightweight construction also allows for short takeoff distances and operation from small grass strips. Most builders can complete the aircraft in approximately 200 to 300 hours, depending on their experience and level of customization. The straightforward design requires only basic workshop tools and minimal specialized skills. With its extremely low cost, simple construction, efficient performance, and unique open-air flying experience, the Jordan Lake Air Bike 103 remains a favorite among budget-conscious aviation enthusiasts looking for one of the most affordable ways to build and own an aircraft.